What's up YouTube, it's your boy Shib is back with another video of Barber Master. Guys, in this video you'll find the most popular haircut among the black people. I hope you will get the right haircut idea from here. So that's this video, watch this video till end and enjoy. I love this crunchiest haircut transformation inspired by the barber on the wall,
he wanted to go for it, so I'm just taking down the bolt so that we can accurately cut our square shape on top. Finishing up with the head style here with some texture powder for some back bowl. Here we have our finished product. As you can see, a nice even shape on top, and the texture really stands out during this cut. Let me know how you think I did in the comments, and as always, have a great rest of your day.
Wow, such a perfect haircut transformation that was. I love it. I love it. Wow, that barber was like, that barber God gifted hands, and that was perfect transformation. All of these crispiest haircut transformation inspired by the best barber around the world, and these barbers are insane. That was the craziest transformation I have ever seen on the internet. That's crazy. That's crazy.
My client had an issue with this previous barber pushing his hairline back too far, so we brought it all the way back up nice clean, razor line on the beard, and enhancements on top to give it a natural crispy look. Curl sponge, boom, there's the before, there's the after. Let me know what you think.
All the way from Delaware, 13 hours away. Definitely come get with my boy if you want to get sharp.
That was fantastic transformation. Yeah. Yeah, I love it, man. I love it. Guys, don't forget to follow us other social media barber masters like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you can also follow us on Snapchat for daily content like daily stories and lives and many more. So don't forget to follow other social media of the Barber Masters. Amazing haircut transformation by this barber. That was sexiest transformation I have ever seen on internet. Oh my god, that was perfect. This haircut transformation is so crazy.
My boy's beard line's been getting pushed down like this, but he doesn't want that beard line too high, so I put that beard line right in the middle. So I take it down to blend that overgrowth in, then prep the skin up, line it up super crispy, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland, click the link in the
That
bottom
was scariest. Yeah. That haircut was on point. Look at this haircut transformation. Look at this haircut transformation. Look at this haircut transformation. Wow. So spicy, so crunchy. I love that. I love that.
Do you get a high ball fade and your barber takes the fade too high, leaving you looking like this? Well, to avoid that, I always start by providing proper shape through shear work. The placement of the ball line is very important so that I make sure that the fade fits the shape of the client's head. So I'm gonna hit them with a finishing blend, apply some nice styling holding product, and bam, as you can see, the fade is not taken too high, fits the shape of his head. If you're in the Atlanta area and have this issue or similar ones, hit that booking link in my bio, and I'll be sure to provide you with the solution. Alright, but what we gonna do today?
High skin fade, tight on the side, make a little bit off the side.
So we have like a high skin fade, keeping it like a squarish kind of shape on the side. Then your style, like
So if you're in Atlanta or surrounding areas, hit the booking link in my bio and let's get you that sheesh kind of moment.
My client had an issue with his previous barber pushing his hairline back too far, so we brought it all the way back up nice clean. Razor line on the beard and enhancements on top to give it a natural crispy look. Curl sponge, boom, there's the before, there's the after. Let me know what you think.
All the way from Delaware, 13 hours away. Definitely come give it my boy if you want to get sharp.
Have you ever asked yourself why it's so easy for you to give up when you start to feel pain, when you're fatigued, tired, or sick? Well, if you worked hard all the time, you would never feel pain. You would never get tired. You would never be sick. All the greats did it. MJ, Kobe. So, you want to be great? Work harder. Whenever you allow yourself to make one excuse, make sure you got 3 solutions to that problem already planned out in your head. That way you can go ahead and envision 3 victories over your life. Why do you feel the constant need to compromise on your dreams and your ambition and what you want to accomplish in life? You'll never get to the top trying to compromise and give other people happiness when you can't even
Amazing haircut transformation by this barber. That was sexiest transformation I have ever seen on internet.
A quality of moving in a smooth.
Oh my god.
See, a lot of times
That was perfect.
we don't allow ourselves to.
This haircut transformation is so crazy.
You see, I believe that everyone needs to flow like water, and as you flow, you get to the points where you're supposed to be, to the places you're supposed to reach. So today, be graceful with yourself, choose you, love you, and be you, and allow all the grace that you give yourself overwhelm you.
That was scariest. Yeah. That haircut was on point. Look at this haircut transformation. Look at this haircut transformation. Look at this haircut transformation. Wow. So spicy, so crunchy. I love that. I love that.
You tired of barbers taking your hair too short in this area like this, or making your head look like a damn cone? I avoid this by starting to fade lower, trimming the top just a little bit. That way, when he styles his hair, the hair's not going to be sticking up in the back. So I put some dry clay in his hair to give him a more natural look. This is what the client showed me, and this is what he got. No hair sticking up in the back. And even better, it fits his head shape. My guy paid me $120 for this haircut. If you're interested in this service and you're in the Philadelphia area, click the link on my bio to book your appointment today.
Guys, if you are still watching this transformation, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Subscribe is must, bro. Subscribe is must. Don't forget to subscribe. That was last and fantastic haircut transformation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the post notification to get update for every new upload.